All right, guys, girls, the question comes up all the time with these tub surrounds. How do we shave in them? First off, get your shaving kit. Okay, grab your razor out. Next thing you're going to want, 2-gallon bucket from Home Depot. Okay, this thing lives in the shower whenever it's not in use. When I get in the shower to take my first part, it goes right here on top of the toilet, then comes back into here. Simply flip it upside down, turn your water on, and then you can simply do your dry shaving. Yes, real men dry shave their legs. But that's literally the best way to do it because you've got full stability. As far as those of you that want to know how I know this information, too many years of mountain bike racing. I know all kinds of fun little tips and secrets like that. So, as you can see, we'll do a video on just about anything. If you have a video idea, question, comment down below, and we'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. We may just throw a video up just for you.